This is the side panel. There are 2 side panels in every cabinet. Place the side panel flat down, ensuring the side with the connector holes are facing upwards. All classic brand products are built starting from the side panel. Find the only base panel and determine whether you want the drawers to be on the left-hand side or the right side. For this video demonstration, we will be installing the drawer on the left. To have the drawer to be on the right, simply rotate the base panel 180 degrees. Connect the base panel to the portion of the side panel that has 3 set of holes. Lock the connectors in place using a screwdriver. Find the tension bar and attach it to the side panel. Find the drawer divider panel. Attach this to the base panel and tension bar. Make sure you lock the connectors in place. Find the tension bar for the fake drawer and insert the wood pin into the side hole. Connect the fake drawer tension bar to the side panel and drawer divider panel. Lock the connectors in place. Find the kick plate and connect to the side panel. Lock the connector in place. Find the back panel and connect to the side panel. Lock the connector in place. Find the remaining side panel and connect to the top. Lock the connector in place. This completes the assembly of the vanity frame. We will be moving to the assembly of the drawers, which contains 5 pieces. Using the drawer front and drawer side panel, connect them together. Find the drawer back panel and connect to the drawer side panel. Use rubber mallets to carefully knock them in place. Use additional pieces of wood to avoid cracking. Find bottom panel and slide into the groove. Find the remaining side panel and connect to the drawer box. Use rubber mallet to carefully knock them in place. Use additional pieces of wood to avoid cracking. Find the box that contains the sliders. Take the plastic clips and place them on the bottom corners of the drawer box facing the front. Use the screws to attach the plastic clips to the drawer box. Only 2 to 3 screws will be required per clip. Find the metal door slides and place them on the drawer's tension bar. Use the screws to attach sliders to the side panel. Pull out the sliders and mount the drawer box to the slider. Pull the tip of the slider towards the plastic clip. A click sound will indicate a proper connection. When the drawer is pulled out, the plastic clips should be able to pull the slider as well. Install wood pins to the side of the side panel. Find the toe kick and connect to the wood pins. Use screws to connect toe kick to the bottom panel of the vanity. Install the hinge on the side panel. Look for the pre-drill holes for the exact location. Attach the door to the hinge and screw in place. Find the fake drawer front. Place it above the door. Ensure there is an even gap at about 1/4 of an inch. Use the screws to attach the fake drawer front following the pre-drilled holes. Ensure the screws are not longer than the combined thickness of the plywood and the fake drawer front.